Yeah. Oh no, I've been AFK way too long. RIP. That's sad. Okay, gotta, there we go. Delete that. Oh yeah, Allison, after this you wanna play Dino Sim?
Yes.
Okay. This is a really good game.
Bouboum?
Yeah.
I know, right?
I'm recording.
Okay.
Okay.
My hazelnut!
What?
My hazelnut. Someone put a bomb on my hazelnut.
R.I.P. Hazelnut.
I know, right?
Gotta wait until next round. Oh, I see Cocoa Wafer.
I'm gone already. I died.
I know.
Cocoa wafer.
Alright, time to play. I'm right here. I'm in the arrow.
Oh,
Only the arrow.
The arrow because it's so annoying. I'm gonna get to you, okay?
Okay.
Wait, what animal do you want?
I really want the fox, the blue jay, and the wolf and the dragon.
The wolf and the dragon?
Mm-hmm.
What animal are you gonna get first?
I don't know.
Blue jay? That's the easiest right now.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh no, I lost my shield.
Oh no, people, please don't kill me.
Here.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. I was so close that I was gonna die. Oh no, I gotta run. I'm gonna lose.
I'm Cocoa wafer.
I know,
wafer.
I know.
Crazy.
Please don't kill me.
I'm sorry.
Woo!
I'll die too, then it's fair. Hi.
We're both on the same team. We're okay.
Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna get this monster thingy. Don't worry, I'll save you.
Oh my god. I'm gonna die.
Don't worry, I'll save you.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
No.
Nom nom.
I won.
You really died. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Bad thing, because your fault's bad.
Yeah, but we're on the same team. Oh no, please don't kill me. Oh shoot. No, 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 no.
Okay, why did they say don't kill me if you're right in front of my bomb?
How do I know? Oh no, no.
Oh. My God.
Oh.
Right there.
Help me, please. I'm so sad. I don't want to die. What? Oh, I have a shield.
I'm right here, don't worry.
Probably gonna die and somebody puts a bomb over there. Hell no. I am gonna die. No! Motherfucker. Okay, gotta beat that part out. Oh no, I do not want to die. Oh no. What? How? How?
You went into the bomb. Okay,
No. No, I was behind the wall that you can't break. How is that possible? Looks like Trump really hates me.
Eva, should I record?
Okay, sure, I don't really mind. And then we'll be like a duo.
Yep.
People, how did I kill myself?
Okay, let me record.
I'm gonna kill this dude. Okay, never mind.
Okay, I'm recording. Say hi.
Hi. Hey, you never said hi for my vlog.
Wait, hold on. It needs to be louder.
What do you mean it needs to be louder?
Because... No, why'd you...
I recorded again.
What the heck?
What? I recorded again. Don't let him out. Don't let him out.
You already did.
What? How?
He had a shield.
Oh. Whoopsies. I'm gonna die. Never mind. Woohoo, I got a hazelnut.
No.
Woohoo, I got another hazelnut. I should do animations. Oh no, honey, no.
Imagine the only one of...
Whoa.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
I wish I'll be the only one that's ahead of everybody at school.
Why?
Because I said, imagine if I was the only one at school and then Billy added on to me saying, you and Miss Venus having a party. Miss Venus.
Oh my god. Oh my god. My bombs are huge. Get away from me. Ha, fuck off. Okay, probably not a good idea. Thanks, mate. I gave the
Smile at the naked bird. How dare you?
well, she let me out of my bunker.
Smile back at the naked bird.
Red team wins.
Can I be the blue jay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm the blue jay. Ew, this dog diarrhea.
What?
Look at this dog that has a blue shield now. He's coughing.
Okay.
It says, brown? Like,
Are you
what?
serious? How many hazelnuts do I have? Can I buy the blue jay? Nope, the blue jay costs 1,000. I don't have 300.
Wait, 1,300? I thought it was just 1,000.
No, I said I only have 300. And the blue jay costs like 1,000.
I don't remember how much the blue jay cost.
It's like 1,000 something. Oh no, you lucky. Oh no, honey, no. I need my shield back. Oh, come on, are you serious? Yeah, you did.
Yep, spoken word for N, spoken word.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm next to naked bird. I don't like that.
Okay.
I'm the only bird that has jeans on.
I can't see myself. There you go.
Oh no, what happened?
The arrow was in the way.
The arrow?
Yeah, it was in the way.
It was in the way.
Yee.
You just said your last name.
Oh
Oh
no.
wait, never mind.
Why are you so mean? Why did you have to point that out?
Wait, I'm recording. Hold on, I think you need to restart.
Why?
Because I forgot I was recording.
Okay.
Because I just said that. You know what, never mind, it's okay.
Okay. Please don't kill me.
Okay.
Because I do not have a shield on.
Oh no. I think I got better at bouboum, I'm not sure.
What do you mean you're not sure?
Because I was always not like this.
Okay. Oh no, honey, no.
You got to believe in yourself.
I got killed by you.
All the time.
You killed everyone.
Bombay fake. What kind of username is that?
How do I know? No, honey, no. This is
Maybe
mine.
you're the Bombay cake.
Wait, what?
No, your name is Bombay Fake.
Oh, no, honey, no. You killed me.
Hi.
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 I need Doritos.
I don't have Doritos. I ate all the Cool Ranch.
What? I asked for
I like
Doritos.
Cool Ranch. Wait, do you like regular,
I like the nacho cheese.
purple, or regular? I mean,
I like the
Cool Ranch.
nacho.
Wait, is this the nacho?
Yeah, nacho cheese.
Oh. You tricked me because you said nacho and I said regular, so like, it's your favorite, like, what the heck?
Nacho, what?
I said
Why do I only have 3?
Nacho was, because I have never heard of that.
Cool.
Say that for regular. Okay, you know, never mind. Let's not talk about Doritos before I get hungry.
Doritos.
Oh my god. I want to kill Naked Bird so bad.
Then kill it.
I can't. He's so good.
He's not good as my thing. Please don't kill me. Yeah, don't kill me. Don't kill me. That was loud. Yeah, hopefully. Oh no, honey, no. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm
I
gonna.
just died.
I did not die. I died.
You did not know the way.
You didn't know the way either.
Well, both of us did not know the way because we just died. That's
Yeah.
not the way.
Only the queen knows the way.
Oh my god, this doggo keeps recording. I mean, teleporting.
You want to play my sport? Oh no, honey, no.
This is my sport.
Okay. You want to play Roblox?
What the heck? Okay, let's play my sport first and then Roblox.
Okay, because like I can stay up the whole night.
Okay, no one will ever get my password. My password is like, I don't know, it's so hard.
Didn't you give me your password?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay. Everybody's gonna try to ask me who's Allison's password.
I can't get my password. Except you.
I also forgot your password. So
You forgot my password? I remember yours.
I forgot my username.
It's, Play by Shaven. With no G.
Cool.
Sound like I heard something. Okay,
The
so
hell?
when you go
Hold on.
wait, you wanna- Look what's the tribe?
Hold on. What is that?
It's what?
I hear water.
Water?
Don't you hear it too?
Water? What water?
Yeah, it's like water dripping.
That's creepy.
I'm gonna call my mom.
Eva, but can you go on my sport?
Okay. I forgot how to
Wait,
do
are
it.
you going to plug?
Hold on, I'm signing in. I have. What? The hell?
Wait, did you forget your password?
No way. No, I can't type to my mom if there's no password. Hold on, I gotta call my mom now.
Eva, can you come to tribe?
Tribe, got it.
Okay.
Oh no, my mouse is freaking.